If you're searching for how to get rid of red ants from your microwave, chances are you've already seen them near the door, under the base, or even inside the vent. And many people try one quick fix. They switch the microwave on. But microwaves are designed to heat food, not insects. Red ants are tiny. Their bodies don't absorb microwave energy the way food does. So heat is not a reliable solution. The real solution is prevention, interruption, and safe correction. This video shares preventive household methods and does not replace professional pest treatment if infestation is severe. Let's begin. Red ants come for three simple reasons: warmth, invisible food particles, scent trails. Even tiny sugar splashes, oil vapors, or crumbs around the door seal are enough. And once one ant finds food, it leaves behind a chemical scent trail called a pheromone. That trail invites the entire colony. Unlike black ants, red ants are more aggressive and more sensitive to these trails. That's why wiping the surface once does not stop them. Avoid pushing the microwave tightly against the wall. Most ants enter from the back or near the power cord. These small steps reduce ant visits dramatically. If you truly want to get rid of red ants from your microwave permanently, prevention is the strongest strategy. Place your microwave on a metal or plastic stand. When the base is lifted, ant access reduces. Cleaning becomes easier. Moisture doesn't accumulate underneath. Most people ignore the base area, but ants don't. If your microwave is placed directly on the kitchen slab, elevating it makes a big difference. A simple microwave stand improves airflow, reduces ant access from the base, and makes cleaning easier. I've added a practical microwave stand option in the description if you want to check it out. Draw a chalk line behind and around the microwave base. Chalk contains calcium carbonate, which disrupts ant scent trails. This does not kill ants. It interrupts navigation. Reapply every 2 to 3 days if needed. Keep basil or mint plants near the microwave or kitchen window. Their strong natural smell confuses ant trails. And the best part? You can use them daily as fresh kitchen herbs. If ants are already visible, do not panic. We focus on safe, electronic-friendly interruption. Use diluted vinegar or mild soap solution. Wipe, door rubber seal, vent openings, control panel edges, under the base. This removes pheromone trails. Remember, killing ants does not stop the colony. Removing scent trails does. Ants sometimes travel along electrical cords. Move the microwave slightly and inspect the cord path. Seal wall cracks nearby if needed. Place this mixture away from the microwave. This diverts the colony. Never place powders inside the microwave cavity. Now let's talk about what you should never do. First, do not spray insecticide inside the microwave. This is a food contact appliance. Any chemical residue left inside can contaminate your food later. Second, never pour water or cleaning liquid into the vents. Moisture inside electrical components can damage the appliance and create safety risks. Third, do not switch on the microwave just to kill the ants. Microwaves heat food based on moisture. They are not designed for pest control, and this method is unreliable and unsafe. And finally, don't ignore wall cracks or gaps behind the appliance. If ants are entering from there, surface cleaning alone will never solve the problem. Remember, quick fixes can create bigger problems. Safe prevention is always smarter than aggressive action. Now let's talk about something very simple but very powerful. Daily habits. You don't need strong chemicals. You don't need aggressive action. You need consistency. After heating sugary food, wipe the microwave immediately. Even tiny splashes of tea, milk, or sauce can attract red ants. Next, always dry the surface. Moisture attracts ants just as much as food does. Sweep or wipe the slab edges around the microwave. Ants often travel along edges, not open spaces. Avoid keeping open sugar containers nearby. Red ants are extremely sensitive to sweet scent trails. And at least once a week, lift the microwave slightly and clean underneath. It takes less than 60 seconds. But it breaks the ant cycle. Remember, ant control is not about force. It is about consistency. Let's clear some common myths. Myth 1. Turning on the microwave heat kills ants permanently. Reality: microwaves heat moisture-rich food, not dry insect bodies effectively. Myth 2. Turmeric powder permanently removes ants. Reality: turmeric may disturb movement temporarily, but it does not erase scent trails completely. Use it only as a short-term barrier, not a solution. Myth 3. If ants disappear for 2 days, problem is solved. Reality: colonies test routes again. Prevention must continue. Before we conclude, here are a few expert-level observations that many people overlook. First, check the nearby wall sockets. Red ants sometimes use electrical openings as hidden entry points, especially if the wall has tiny gaps. Second, seal even the smallest cracks with silicone. Ants do not need visible holes, they only need opportunity. Keep your microwave slightly away from the wall. Even a small gap improves airflow and makes inspection easier. Avoid storing snacks, biscuits, or sugar containers on top of the microwave. Heat combined with food scent creates a strong attraction zone. And most importantly, monitor more carefully during monsoon or humid weather. Moisture and warmth together increase ant activity significantly. Red ants follow opportunity. Remove opportunity, and you remove ants. So if your goal is to get rid of red ants from your microwave safely and permanently, focus on prevention, scent removal, and interruption, not heat or chemicals. Red ants are small, but your approach should be smarter. If this helped you, check your kitchen today, especially behind the appliance. Because ant control starts where we don't usually look. If this helped you, give this video a like so more people can find it. And subscribe for practical kitchen solutions that actually work. I'll see you in the next video.